It's the collection of signatures. That is what's going on as we speak. So far, about 1.5 of them, 1 million signatures have so far been collected. The Secretariat is looking for about 5 million. As we speak, they have only 1.5. This sort of reminds you of classwork, right? But tonight, the Building Bridges initiative is facing a potential legal hurdle after Makueni Governor Kivutha Kibwana moved to the Supreme Court seeking an advisory opinion on the process. Professor Kibwana wants the highest court in the land to advise on the legality of the process and the use of public resources to push it. The move came as the BBI secretariat announced they had obtained 1.5 million signatures and are now hoping they would hit 2 million by the end of the day. Waihiga Mwaura has more on the BBI drive.
At the rate of at least 300,000 signatures per day, the BBI train is crisscrossing the country, with those tasked with this duty collecting signatures in town hall meetings, outside places of worship and other public venues. At a status briefing earlier in the day, the National Secretariat announced that 1.5 million signatures were already in the bag, and the 5 million signature target was not too far off. But the team is facing allegations of coercing public servants to help in obtaining these signatures.
Our signatures are not being collected, as you're saying, by chiefs or our signatures are being collected by our coordinators at the county level, at the sub-county level, and at the ward level. The other government institutions are providing facilitation and helping them.
The coordinators estimate that they will have over 2 million signatures by Thursday, and they will hand them over to the IEBC for verification before the county assemblies can have their say on the constitutional amendment bill. But the Building Bridges initiative could face another legal hurdle after Makueni Governor Kivutha Kibwana moved to the Supreme Court seeking clarity on 2 issues. One, whether a bill containing a proposed amendment to the Constitution can only be limited to an amendment of a single issue of the Constitution. And 2, whether national or county governments or public officers can be promoters of a popular initiative and whether it is constitutionally acceptable for them to use public resources to finance and seek support to amend the Constitution through a public initiative. The governor further goes on to give the reasoning for his questions, stating that, and I quote, "We are concerned that packing in too many issues in a bill to amend the Constitution creates confusion and significantly compromises the public's ability to understand the issues and fully participate." End quote. This is not the first time that an individual or institution has moved to court challenging the Building Bridges initiative. But it is the first time to challenge the constitutional amendment bill that was made public on Wednesday last week. But opposition leaders Musalia Mudavadi of the ANC and Moses Wetangula of Ford Kenya are drumming up support for the bill.
We want to finish this process in the course of the week. Tuwe tumemaliza. Alafu sasa baadaye the civic education arrangements ndio zitafata, where we will also have different programs all over the country where we participate fully as ANC.
I think we're happy as a party that a consensus is emerging and shaping and showing direction that we may not, and we hope we will not, engage in disruptive and quarrelsome campaigns.
Signature collection also continued in other parts of the country, and at the Kitale Showground, Devolution Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa, who hails from the region, also appended his signature in support of the constitutional amendment bill.
Ni safari ya kuleta usawa na kuleta nafasi kwa kina mama wetu, vijana wetu, wakulima, wazee.
Waihiga Mwaura, Citizen TV.